The R2 Gear Mark III is a brand new multifunctional outdoor communication tool. In a dynamic outdoor scene, it is common for you to fumble to grab your phone and end up dropping it. No doubt it will break your heart. The team at R2 Gear Mark III, big fans of outdoor activities, have been trying to resolve this issue for the last 2 years. After the successful development of the MK1, we have finally launched the Gear Mark III, the most convenient and safe outdoor communication tool. The Mark III, a smartphone-based walkie-talkie, is designed to feel like a real walkie-talkie, and its buttons in the user's grip. People can use it with ease by connecting users' smartphones and the Mark III via Bluetooth. You can complete the setup process with your group members. Then your precious smartphone can be safely stowed in a bag. By using the clip of Mark III, you can attach the Mark III to a shoulder strap. You can now freely use your hands. Simply push the yellow button on the Mark III when you need to talk to them. Given that the Mark III is paired with your smartphone, there are no limits in numbers or distance. You can even talk with your friends from abroad. And that's not all.
Incoming call. Incoming call.
Given the Mark III is connected with smartphones, users can call just as if it is a phone. Also, it has a built-in speaker so that users can enjoy music. Moreover, the Mark III is equipped with 6 buttons for the most frequently used functions while outdoors. For example, there is an LED light to help users see in dark places or at night. And there is an SOS button. It shows the most necessary functions while outdoors are summed up as one-touch button. The Mark III has strong durability to endure the harsh conditions expected outdoors. It can work in the snow and rain and survive being dropped into water by accident. The R2 Gear Mark III aims to help those who like to share precious moments outdoors with people.
이번 R2 기어 마크 3를 통해서 여러분의 탐험에 도움이 될 수 있는 계기가 되었으면 좋겠습니다.